out for a tall, light-skinned brother with dimples, wearing a black Kango sweatsuit, gold chain, and sneakers. Last seen on Farmers Boulevard heading east. Alias LL Cool J. He's bad.
No rapper can rap quite like I can. I take a muscle-bound man and put his face in the sand. Not the last mafioso, I'm a MC Kyle.